Hi, this is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear search history on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Instagram search history is a collection of all searches you perform, whether you search for real names, profile names, topics, or specific subjects such as Star Wars, NASCAR, etc. Instagram search history is not available to view by other users, but the company harvests the information to suggest new people or profiles you can follow. The data may also get used for other purposes unspecified, but you can control that Instagram stores by deleting your search history manually from an Android, iOS, or PC browser. How to do it is so simple. So first of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to the settings by tap on your profile on the bottom right here. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can go to account center. From account center, you can go to information and permissions. And you'll find there is an option search history. You can just tap on that. You can clear all the search history by tap on here, or if you want to clear for the search history on the specific account, like this one for example, I would just clear for my search history on this Instagram account. Now you can just clear it. Tap on X in here. But you can also clear search history for all. Here. You can choose you want to clear the search history for last hour, yesterday, or for the all time. For example, we just choose on all time. Now you can just tap on clear all searches. So now you have clear your search history on your Instagram. So simple, right? So that is how to clear search history on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.